Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make a sky ruler. A sky ruler is a device which is used to measure the angle between the celestial objects in the night sky. The design of the sky ruler is based on the cross staff which was used in ancient times to do the same job, measure the angles between the celestial objects in the night sky. What you have to first do is go to the website skullandskill.com, go to astronomy pages. You'll find buttons over there to download the print of the sky ruler. This is how the print would look like. Take the printout at 100% scale. Do not reduce or increase the scale. Take it at 100% scale. This is how the printout would look like. In this printout you will see there is a main scale, this one, marked with degrees, 10 degree, 11 degree, 12 degree, 16 degree, 25 degrees, like that. This is the extension of the same main scale. This will go behind it. This is the cross piece scale and it has certain points A, B, C, D, E. We are going to tell you how to use it. What you have to first do is cut this main scale out. Cut this part also out and this one also. All these three parts, cut them out and paste them on a hard surface like this, a cardboard or a soft board. It needs to be sturdy. Once you have pasted those scales on this surface, it will look like this. This is the main scale. Observe how this piece has been adjusted at the end of the first scale. So this is the longer scale and after that there is the short piece from here. So this completes your main scale. Now this whole thing is your main scale, marked with degrees. The cross piece also has been pasted over here. Now you need to cut this out, this main scale and this cross piece. You need to cut these out. Let's see how it would look like. It would look like this, and this is the cross piece. What you need to do is you need to attach this cross piece over here perpendicular to the main scale and let it slide. How would you be able to do that? You have to first make a slider like this. Take a thick paper, create a loop from it, cut out a loop like this so that you can put this main scale through it and this slider can help you go forward and backward on the main scale. Paste this cross piece on the slider such that this C, do you see this line on C? It should be at the center of the main scale, and paste it so that it can slide with the slider on the main scale. Let's see how it would look like after pasting it. This is how it would look like. Once we have pasted the cross piece on the slider, it is free to slide on the main scale. Observe one more thing. We have inserted two pins over here, 1 and 2, the other pin, at position A and E. These pins will be used to see the angle between the celestial objects. If the celestial objects are too close, you can put pins at B and D also. This is the main scale with angles marked on it. This is the cross piece sliding over the main scale back and forth. And these are the pins marked at position A and E, inserted at position A and E. This is how your sky ruler will look like. Let's see how to use it. Look at those 2 points right over there. Consider it as star 1 and star 2 in the night sky. Take the sky ruler, put it right below your eyes, this part, put it right below your eyes and see those pins and these stars together like this. It would look something like this. The sky ruler is right below your eyes and you're looking over this main scale. Slide this cross piece such that these two pins at A and E position that you're seeing at A and E position, slide that such that A and E pins will match the stars. You want to find the angles between those stars, like these A and B. A and E pins will now, if I put it over here, are matching those two stars. If you move the cross piece away, the distance between the pins reduce, and if you bring it closer, the angular distance between the pins, it increases. So if the stars are far apart, you have to bring it closer. If the stars are closer, you have to move the cross piece away. So right now, this is the position where these pins are at A and E are matching these two stars. This is the angular distance right over here on the scale. Here, you can read it, nearly 25 degrees is the angular distance between the two stars. This is the angle between those two stars. We really hope this is clear. If any issues, any doubts, please feel free to get in touch with us on 9680-648-958 or drop an email to skullandskill@gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening.